Hello kids, how are you? Today we are learning about chickens. Do you know chickens are living descendants of dinosaurs? And male chickens are called roosters, female chickens are called hen, and their babies are called chicks. Chickens communicate with each other through different clucking sounds. They make different clucks to signal danger or to gather their chicks. Chickens take dust baths to keep their feathers clean and safe of parasites. Chickens are social animals and enjoy being in flocks. Chickens are commonly found on farms because they provide eggs and can help control pests by eating insects. They have great memories and better color vision than us. Chickens are not completely flightless. Chickens do not have night vision. They cannot see in the dark. Chickens will sleep from dusk until dawn no matter what is the season. And they can dream too, just like us. And I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like and share.